Welcome to Spring LIB.
To determine if there is a significant difference in the mean recovery time between the new treatment and the standard treatment, we can perform a two-sample t-test. Let's denote the new treatment group as group A and the standard treatment group as group B. So the test statistic, we can use the formula T equals the difference between the two means over the square root of the first standard deviation squared over the sample size plus the standard deviation of the second sample over its sample squared over its sample size. So for group A, the mean was 17.7 and the standard deviation is 4.46. I'll say the mean is 17.7. I'll go to two decimal places. And the sample size is 7. And for group B, we'll say is the standard treatment. And the mean there is 28.71. Add them up, divide by 7. The standard deviation (7.39), and the sample size also 7. So now plugging in the values for the test statistic, we'll have 17.71 minus 28.71 over the square root of 4.46 squared over 7 plus 7.39 squared over 7. This calculates to negative 3.37. Now for part B, to find a p-value, we need to consult the t-distribution table or use statistical software. For a alpha level of 0.05 and 12 degrees of freedom, because the sample size we would combine and then subtract 2 is 0.0056. And then for the critical value, that corresponds to the chosen alpha in degrees of freedom. And for an alpha level of 0.05 in degrees of freedom 12, the critical value is about the nearest hundredth, positive and negative 2.18. And since our test statistic, negative 3.37, lies outside of that interval, and that the p-value is less than the significance of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. We can conclude that there is a significant difference in the mean recovery time between the new treatment and the standard treatment.